Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your Disney Plus account and choosing the profile you'll watch on. Once done, play the show or movie so the in-player controls appear. This is necessary because subtitle toggles only show during playback. Make sure you're on the correct device, smart TV, browser, or mobile app, because controls differ slightly. Tap or hover to reveal the speech bubble or CC icon. That opens the language and subtitle options you'll change next. Once the language menu is open, find the subtitles list and choose the option marked off or none. You're disconnecting subtitle rendering from the video. If audio and subtitles are paired, make sure the audio track remains the one you want. Some streams switch tracks when you change subtitles. On mobile, tap Save or simply back out to apply. On a TV remote, press OK. This stops the subtitle file from displaying, which reduces on-screen clutter and restores the intended viewing experience. After switching subtitles off, rewind a few seconds and play to verify they're gone. This confirms the player registered the change. If subtitles persist, exit and force close the app or reload the browser tab, then reopen the title. This clears stuck overlays. Make sure the profile level accessibility or caption preferences aren't forcing subtitles on. Check account settings if the problem repeats across devices. If nothing works, update the app or restart the device. That often resolves stubborn subtitles.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.